Okay. Now, yeah, we are going to be creating the contract account. For that, we need to do some configuration. Those configuration settings we will see now. So, contract account receivables and payables, basic functions. Under basic functions, we have contract accounts. In that contract accounts, we need to create the number ranges for this. Based on the requirement, you can give the number ranges, internal number range and external number range, or you can give it here. If you want to maintain external number range, like this, you can maintain. And then after creating number ranges, we need to assign the number ranges to contract accounts. Basically, in ISU side, we have two contract accounts, two different types of contract accounts. It's based on the contract account category. Okay, so usually, each and every project maximum they'll use 01 as for it's a ISU contract account, and 02 ISU collective bill account. For a collective billing scenario, we use 02 account contract account category, whereas in normal cases we use only 01 contract account category. Okay. So here is the place we can give the number ranges, internal number range and external number range we can give. If we select this one, it's for collective contract account. It will behave like a collective contract account. And then if you want to create one contract account for one contract, basically what will happen, for one business partner you can create n number of contract accounts. For one contract account you can create n number of contracts. Okay, it's a business partner to contract account, it's a one to many. Contract account to contract, it's again one to many. Okay, so for that we have one setting. I think this one. Yes, if you check this one, if you check this box, then it will behave as a, you can create only one contract using of this contract account. Okay. These are the settings we need to do. After that, field modifications. In that field modifications, as per the requirement, we can do that. For example, contract account level, it's like earlier classes what we have seen for field configuration for connection object, premise, device location and all. The same kind of thing. If you click on 01, it will give the options. Here based on the requirement you can hide the field, or else you can put it as a required entry. You can maintain as a optional entry also. So all the fields are available here. So just for testing purpose you can test it over here itself, or else if any requirement is there you can configure it. And then shall we do something, or it's okay?
It's okay.
Yeah, here is the place. Basically, you can if you select this one, this particular field will be hidden. If you put not specified, it will show. It will. I mean, if you select this field not specified, system will propose all the fields. So whatever the fields you want, you can maintain it. Okay, it's all FICA settings. These settings done by FICA consultant. Okay, so FICA consultant will take care of this. Now we'll create one contract account. First we'll create one business partner /OFPP1. For creating a business partner, the transaction is FPP1. Are you practicing anything?
Yeah.
Okay. No, are you practicing? You know, when you practice, you will be, it will be very easy to remember or recollect it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So business partner 161. Now we will create a contract account with reference to this same business partner. For creating a contract account, the transaction is /n CAA1. /CAA1.
Yes.
Okay. So here, at the time of contract account configuration level, we have discussed about 01 and 02. If it is a collective bill
Yes.
case, we need to select 02. If it is normal scenarios, we need to select only 01. And just select 01. Enter. And then these tolerance groups and everything, it's done by, I mean, they'll configure it based on the requirement. For this particular group, if it is a residential group, what are the tolerance limits? If it's an industrial group, what are the tolerance limits? Everything, it will be configured. So we can use those tolerance group. So payment terms, basically these payment terms, in ISU level, if you look into the invoice level, okay, invoice header, we have mainly 3 dates. One is document date, second one is posting date, third one is due date. Okay, so due date, it will be determined based on your payment terms. Hello. See,
Yes.
we
Yeah.
can we can propose the due date two ways. One is that in ISU configuration level also we have one due date settings. ISU configuration, I mean invoicing level. Okay, if you set if you configure there, it will be considered, and as well as due date can be considered from payment terms also.
Okay.
For example, payment terms basically I'll if you maintain 10 days, if the customer pays the amount within 10 days of the invoicing, so he will be getting 20% to 30% or no, some 2 to 3% discount or something. This kind of scenarios will be there. So
Okay.
payment due date will be determined automatically at the time of invoice creation. So at the time of payments, when the customer is paying the amount, if he pays the amount within the due date, before the due date, then he will get 2 to 3% discount. If he pays after the due date, some interest will be calculated. This kind of scenarios we can configure it based on the payment terms. And then account determination ID. It's also very important billing and invoicing point of view. With this account determination ID, we can determine the account determination. We have two transaction codes, EK01 and EK02, where basically we will configure it, our account determination, and we will assign one particular GL account to this particular ID. There we will maintain our company code, division, main transaction, sub transaction, and account determination ID to ZL account.
Okay.
Okay, so based on this account determination ID, you will be creating the invoice. So at the time of invoice, whatever the charges, wherever you wanted to post, those charges will be posted to that particular GL account. Like that we can map it. Mapping can be done. Okay, so account determination ID, you can select it here. Just you can select residential account determination. And clearing category. This clearing category, what will happen? After 10 days is your due date. So before 2 days before or 3 days before, customer may pay the amount to the company. After that, every day and night, clearing batch job will be executed. That means it's a account maintenance will be executed.
Okay.
So in that, whenever account maintenance is executed, so whatever the I mean these payments will be cleared off against to the open items. In a FICA level, we have two transactions. One is I mean for collecting the money, whereas in collection center level they'll use FPCJ transaction. Okay, so in FPCJ it's a like a cash desk. Just they go to the, we'll see. I think for that we need to do FI configuration. FPCJ. If it is there, I will show you. Okay, it's not configured. So FPCJ, using FPCJ we can, I mean FICA people, collection center level people, they can collect the money from the customers. Okay. So after collecting the money, every day account maintenance will happen. Based on the account maintenance, amount will be cleared off. Okay.
Okay.
And then billing point of view, we have application form. You know, have you worked on bill print workbench?
Yes. Print language. Yes.
Yeah. In the print workbench, you will be using EF or M transaction. You go there and exit level, you write the logic, right?
Yeah.
So, you know, this is the place where you need to assign the application form, that bill form.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, if you maintain the application form here, and because what will happen, billing, we have a billing and invoicing level. Billing will happen based on your contract. Just remember this, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Billing,
Yes.
billing, billing will happen at your contract level, but invoice will happen at in your
Yes.
contract account level.
Yes.
So after invoicing, your application form have been attached to your contract account level. So automatically all the details it will be copied to your print document. So at the time of printing, uh, whatever the logic we build up it in the application form level, we can print it and we can pick all the details, required details.
Okay.
Here we'll use at present standard application form, ISU bill. And the company code group. Here we have one more field, incoming payment method. There are different payment methods are available in each and every company, like direct debit or cash or check. So 3 payment methods you can create it over here and as well as assign it.
Yes.
Usually what will happen in UK or US scenarios, they'll maximum cases they'll use DD, direct debit. So they maintain the account details and everything. So at the time of due date, before the due date or particular same day, the this batch job will be executed. So whatever the due amount is there, it will be picked up and the amount will be deducted from their accounts level. Like if you assign your credit card to your bank, so automatically due date time it will be deducted, right? The same way it's nothing but a credit card kind of thing. And then come to the dunning. Here just assign the dunning procedure. Usually in a utility sector we'll have 2 dunning procedures. I mean 2 dunning level 1 and dunning level 2. If the amount reaches to dunning level 1, first notice it goes to the customer. This is the amount you're supposed to be paid to the company. So if you pay within dunning level 2 date, so you'll be getting this much of 100 rupees or 200 rupees extra will be charged. If you pay after dunning level 2,
Yeah.
so when it reaches to dunning level 2, your disconnection will happen. They'll terminate the services. So for that extra amount they need to pay. That kind of notice it goes to the customer. For that we need to assign the dunning procedure over here. This is the place. And we have different locks here. We have at in contract account level, you can put the dunning lock. This is the dunning lock, and as well as we have invoice lock as well. This is a posting lock. If you block this one, you cannot create the invoice because posting cannot be happen. When posting cannot be happen, you cannot create the invoice. In billing and invoicing level, what will happen? You can create when you create a billing, the amount will not be posted to FICA. Just it's like billing only for your information purpose. That's all. When you create the invoice, that time only your entire amount will be posted to FICA. These are the fields, whatever the fields we have discussed, these are the fields are important, and the remaining things are not required. So payment terms and budget billing also, it is important. At the time of budget billing discussion, we will discuss that field. And collective bill account. In collective billing scenario, we will maintain the parent contract account over here. In collective billing, basically there is a parent and a child relation kind of billing it will be. So we will be creating a parent contract account. For that we use contract account category as a 02. You have seen, right? So we use the 02 contract account category, and then we will create the parent contract account. And the child contract account we will use 01, and we will create the child contract account. At the child contract account level, here is the place, collective bill account. So we will maintain the parent contract account, so that link will happen. So this field also is important. Apart from that, it's okay, fine. We can save it. Okay, this is the contract account which you have created.
Okay.
So for creating a contract account, mandatory business partner is a mandatory. With reference to business partner only, we can create a contract account. That's the thing.
Yes.
Okay, master data. So contract is there. Contract will be discussed at the time of move-in procedure, move-in process.
Okay.
Sorry. These contracts basically, we need to. Okay, we'll discuss it at the time of move-in. Okay. Now we cannot create the contract. So business partner. So basically in ISU we have two master data. One is business master data, second one is technical master data. Business master data consists of business partner, contract account and contract. So we have seen business partner configuration and creation, contract account configuration and creation. And technical master data consists of connection object, premise, device location, device and installation. So except device, we have seen everything. Correct? You have any doubt or anything, you can ask me. We'll discuss it again.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine.
Yeah. So now we'll see the contract billing. Okay.
Yeah.
There is one more scenario is there in ISU side. In ISU side, what is happening? Whenever you create a business partner, contract partner, in backend by default ISU business partner, sorry, default SD partner customer also will be created. I will show you. This is very important in ISU. What will happen? Whenever you create a business partner using the transaction, FPP1, yet in the backend settings automatically SD customer will be created, because why it's required. Number one, we need to create a sales order and as well as service orders. Service orders basically service order level your equipment or meter, it will be equipment or meter, it will be assigned and it will be installed at in your premise level. So for that we need a SD customer. So instead of creating separately SD customer and separate ISU customer, whenever it's a SAP has given the provision like whenever you create a ISU business partner, by default SD customer also will be created. We will see the settings now. So financial accounting, accounts receivables and payables, just we need to go here, and then customer accounts, master data, preparations for creating a customer master data. Come over here. So here you can use this number range. Okay, so already someone has given the number range, so we can use the same number ranges. Use the same number range. After creating the number range, internal and external number range, we need to assign the number ranges to customer account groups. Just go to the customer account groups. There is one account group is this one, DEBI, DEBI. Okay. So initially we will give the external number range for this. What is the external number range? Okay. ID? XX. Okay. XX is my external number range ID. So I am going there. I am assigning to DEBI as XX. Just I am assigning the number ranges here. Okay. It's a customer accounts. Okay. It's a account group. I have been assigning number ranges in customer account groups level. Okay. Now I'll create one SD customer /o XD01. For creating a SD customer, this the transaction is XD01. So my account group is customer general. Account group is customer general. This one. Okay. So customer, you can give anything. I'm giving Kolkata. Sales organization, Tata, and a distribution channel. What's the distribution channel? 10, right? 10, right? 10.
Yes.
Division is also 10. 10 or 20? Okay, we'll take 10. No sales area data. No, it's not that one.
Hello.
Yeah, Manojit. Yeah, I'm here.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello. Is there?
Yes. Okay.
Total 0 to 20. Sorry. Slash NXT01. Customer general and give Manojit. Okay. India region will be 25. And then go to the company code data. The company code data, just we need to assign reconciliation account. And then sales area data. Sales area data level. Sales district is a mandatory field. So just assign sales district here, and price group. Enough, and save it. Tax awesome. 0, I just enter 0. See now with the external number range ID, we have created Manojit as a customer, correct? So
Yeah.
now we need to assign this external, I mean Manojit to, at in configuration level we need to assign it. I will show you. Are you following this one? It's
Yes,
a
yes.
bit tricky kind of thing. Initially what will happen, we
Yeah.
will create the number ranges at in customer group level, you know,
Yes.
not contract account. It's a customer group. It's a SD customer. Customer group level we will be maintaining the external number range. With using of the external number range, we create one business partner, and then this business partner will maintain it in our configuration level.
Okay.
Just go there, master data. In the master data, business partner data, settings for creating a standard customer. Here is the place. Someone has assigned must underscore all, so just you need to assign Manojit. TH or T. Okay, now we have assigned it. So again go to the customer groups level. Okay, because it's a external number range. Using the external number range, we have created the one business partner, one customer. So that same customer we have assigned it in the configuration level. Now what our scenario is different. Our scenario is whenever we create a business partner in the system, by default at in backend our SD customer also should be created. That's our scenario. So whatever the number range it's been creating in ISU side, with the same number range SD customer also should be created. So we need to assign the same number range over here. We have assigned external number range, right? Now we will change it to internal number range as a 01. So save it. Now we will create a one business partner and then we'll see the effects /n FPP1. Go to the identification. See, in the configuration level we maintain as a Manojit. So the same reference customer it's been attaching when you create the contract partner. Okay, so So just save it. So business partner is a ISU business partner, ISU contract partner. 162 have been created. So with the same number range, SD customer also should be created at the back end because of our settings. So for view the SD customer, the transaction will be /n xd03, correct? FPP1 and
Yes.
FPP1 for contract partner creation, FPP2 for change, FPP3 for display. The same way in SD customer level, XD01 for creation, XD02 for change, and XD03 for display. So it's a customer display. So we have created 162, correct? So with the same, whatever the details we have given, so with the same details, SD customer has been created. See, we have created name as a Kolkata, surname as a K, Doctor Kolkata K. So all the details, whatever the details you give at in FPP1 transaction level, that is a ISU business partner level, all the details it will be automatically copied to your SD customer level. Okay. So this is a important scenario. Whatever the details you give. For example, if you give the bank details, all the bank details it will be copied over here. Okay. So you have any doubts on this? Because it's a bit tricky. So if you have any doubts or anything, just you ask me now.
Yeah.
For
Yeah,
you need to practice. Yeah, you need to practice once. Then you get the doubts. Basically, in SD, I'll give you the steps. Okay.
Yes.
For creating a standard SD partner, SD customer, first you need to create your external number range. Assign these external number ranges to your customer group. Then go to XD01 transaction. It's a for customer creation, and then create a SD customer. Assign these SD customer at in the configuration level, that is IS utilities, master data, business partner, settings for creation standard customers. Here just go there, maintain parameters for, here is the place you need to assign the reference customer. After maintaining the reference customer here, again go to your customer assignment level and change it to from external to internal number range and save it. So whenever you create a ISU business partner in ISU using the transaction FPP1, at in backend automatically SD customer it will be created. Using this SD customer, you can create a sales order, delivery, billing, and SD invoice, and as well as service order, notification. That scenario also you can create it. For that purpose only, basically SD customer automatically at in backend will be creating it. Okay. This is the scenario.
Okay.
So tomorrow we'll start the contract billing and invoicing. Okay. We'll start the contract billing.
Okay. Tomorrow, when the class will be scheduled?
Yeah. Actually, sorry. Actually, today morning also we have scheduled it, right? But because here power is not there for me.
But tomorrow morning actually I will not be I will not be there actually tomorrow morning. If you, so can you please take the class in the afternoon time, anytime?
Yeah, no issue. Just give me your convenient time. I'll see.
Yeah, like 3 to 5 p.m.
Yeah, 3 to 5. Okay, that's fine. 3 to 5 is not a problem.
Okay, okay, that would be better. That would be better for me actually.
Okay, 3 to 5 will take the class. 2 hours.
Okay, okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, Manojit. Okay, bye.